Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Westoak Trail is a quiet and well-planned neighborhood in the northwest part of Oakville, Ontario. This community is known for its family-friendly atmosphere, modern homes, and easy access to nature. Development here began in the late 1990s and continued into the early 2000s, making it one of the newer residential areas in Oakville. Westoak Trails was designed with balance in mind. Streets are lined with detached houses, townhomes, and a smaller number of apartment-style residences. The layout is organized with curving roads, cul-de-sacs, and plenty of sidewalks. One of the defining features of Westoak Trails is its connection to green space. The neighborhood is surrounded by natural areas, including 16 Mile Creek and several wooded ravines. There are also multiple parks scattered throughout, offering playgrounds, sports fields, and open areas for recreation. These green spaces help give the area a quieter, more relaxed feel compared to busier urban centers. Westoak Trails is also popular with families because of its access to schools. Several elementary and secondary schools serve the area, making it convenient for students of all ages. Nearby shopping plazas and essential services provide everything residents need without having to travel far. Major roads and highways are also close by, making commuting to other parts of Oakville or the Greater Toronto Area straightforward. Overall, Westoak Trails reflects the growth of Oakville in recent decades. It offers a mix of suburban comfort, natural surroundings, and modern convenience. For visitors, it gives a clear picture of what newer residential life looks like in this part of Ontario. Oakville itself is located along the northern shore of Lake Ontario and sits between the cities of Toronto and Hamilton. It has grown into one of the most desirable communities in the region, known for its high quality of life, strong economy, and scenic waterfront. Oakville's history dates back to the early 1800s. It was founded in 1827 by Colonel William Chisholm, who developed the area into a busy shipbuilding and trading port. Its location on Lake Ontario allowed it to become an important hub for timber and grain shipments during the 19th century. As transportation methods changed, Oakville gradually shifted away from shipbuilding and toward manufacturing and residential development. By the mid-20th century, it had become part of the growing suburban ring around Toronto. Today, Oakville is a thriving town with a population of over 200,000 people. Oakville is often recognized for its strong local economy. It is home to a mix of corporate offices, small businesses, and manufacturing facilities. The town also benefits from its proximity to major highways and rail lines, which connect it easily to the rest of southern Ontario. One of Oakville's biggest draws is its waterfront. The town features several parks and harbors along Lake Ontario, including Bronte Harbour and Oakville Harbour. These areas offer walking trails, marinas, and views of the lake that attract both residents and visitors throughout the year. Downtown Oakville, often referred to as Old Oakville, is another highlight. This area features historic buildings, boutique shops, restaurants, and cafes. The streets are walkable and well-maintained, creating a welcoming environment that blends history with modern amenities. Oakville is also known for its extensive park system. With hundreds of parks and kilometers of trails, there are many opportunities for outdoor activities. The town places a strong emphasis on preserving natural areas, including creeks, forests, and shoreline spaces. Oakville has a strong arts and culture scene that adds to its appeal. The town is home to galleries, performance spaces, and community events throughout the year. The Oakville Center for the Performing Arts hosts concerts, theater productions, and cultural events, drawing both local talent and touring performers. Seasonal festivals and waterfront events help bring the community together and give visitors something new to experience at different times of the year. Another defining feature of Oakville is its reputation for safety, cleanliness, and careful planning. The town consistently ranks as one of the most livable communities in Canada. Tree-lined streets, well-maintained public spaces, and thoughtful development contribute to its overall character. Whether you are passing through or staying longer, Oakville stands out as a place that combines history, natural beauty, and modern living in a way that feels both welcoming and well-organized. In many ways, Oakville represents a balance between urban and suburban living. It offers access to big city opportunities while maintaining a quieter, more residential feel. Thanks for watching!